The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
highest level, dog.
Right. Very good. Very good. Welcome to yet another episode of the BIO podcast, Ingxoxo 99. Yeah, today I'm your host. We decided, for purposes of the podcast, to have, some professionalism, some decorum here. Into zaboma 40 leza bomgcini. Phongo record ngani okhuluma ngibo no. Sifuna abantu abarecorda be host izinto ezisharp. So, him enkhona namhla phambili. Welcome to the podcast. Angikhambi ngedwa. Sorry for the formalities. Angikhambi ngedwa namhla. I'm with a well-known gent here. His name is Calvin, but I'm actually going to let him introduce himself. Tell people who you are, what you do, where they can find you. Wakhulela ngaphi, wafunda ngaphi, uhlala ngaphi, ulala sikhathi bani.
Lothi ngiba baphakulele inyama esikhaya.
Bafayela amaqatha amangaki, that kind of thing. But yeah, just let people know who you are and what you do.
All right, am I allowed to say what? Salibonani? I'm a listeners. Linjani.
Yeah.
Well, my name is Calvin Madula, also known as the Certified Sweetheart. I am This is why I have Diet Coke on this table. Okay. I'm diabetic, guys. I'm diabetic. So it's medically proven. Type 1 diabetes patient.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm a creative and storyteller. I prefer identifying myself as that because my profile is a bit fat, though I'm a skinny guy, but I got a fat profile. So I'm an actor, well, a multi-award-winning actor. Yeah. A casting director, a fight choreographer, a fashion and lifestyle model, an acting and performance coach, a broadcaster. That's both television and radio. So that's basically who I am. As for where I sleep, what time I sleep, how many chicken pieces they put in my plate, we are Nyalo.
These are very valid questions. People must know.
Nah, we'll know them.
What I can say is I love meat. That's what I can say. I love meat.
We'll definitely know them. Yeah. No, anyway, let's get into the podcast. Cousin, what happened, dog?
Bro, I don't even know what happened. Where were you last weekend?
I was still nursing hangovers.
Where were you last weekend?
Where was I?
We just had like a long ass
Dog.
item. We're together, right?
Yes.
Yeah, this one's I'm a para, dog.
Hi. No,
Jake, cause like really fucked me up on Sunday, bro. Cause he gave me some sheets, bro, and then I woke up at 1 the next day.
And that one.
Imagine.
Packaging black so.
Exactly,
Yeah.
The black package.
I
Guys, I saw my Dracula. No. It's just weed. I know.
People know. My brand is that I
they're
don't
using
do it.
substances that you cannot name.
Njongo mihlali.
So it was that. And like like good dad, and I think maybe like years back. So they really messed me up.
No. That's that thing. That one is not nice.
But how was the night show?
Dog. I don't know. I enjoyed certain aspects of it. Shout out to Mo Junior Labokoti for putting together such a show.
Yes. Shout out to them. Yeah. Shout out to them.
And you know, people were shocked. Abantu abaningi babethi, hey, Oscar Mboga abuyi. And they were saying this even after he literally showed up at the airport. Umhlangabezi wodumo ubenches ekhona kona phana ethatha ama-selfie. They were like, nah, he's not here.
He's not performing.
Here. But why khona sibili?
Thomas.
Thomas.
Thomas phela abakholwa ubona.
Oh, you doubting Thomas.
Yes.
Mele behlokoloze.
Yeah.
Befakile kuze emphakathi.
Exactly.
Yeah, no. It was good. I enjoyed Oscar Mbo's set. I left halfway in the middle of Young Stanners. That boy is just got too much energy for my liking, bro.
Serious.
He's a really good performer, the best I've ever seen. But I appreciate DJs more than performance, if I'm honest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think he really held it down, dog.
He did.
He really
did.
held it down
As
from the start.
There's a reason why he's paid more than Oscar.
He was paid more than Oscar. Oh, you niggas were leaking contracts anyway. Motherfuckers were leaking contracts. There were people leaking contracts. But if I
didn't say anything.
Kangelani, look closer into your circles there. There are people who always leak your sheets, guys.
Yeah.
But anyway, it was a good event.
It was.
Long weekend.
I wouldn't say it was a good event. It was a decent event.
It was decent, yeah.
We came from a good event the other weekend.
Yeah. From a good event that actually like changed the landscape into his name. Because people were even doubting the venue would allow us to rock that day.
Yeah. But you know, cousin, I want us to get into like a topic. I think even Calvin can chime in. Slow price footy by the way. We've got price classic. If you wonder who that chappy guy was always making noise who pocket no files the stage. Ungakwazi ukuthi vele ngu-MC kumbe nguyini nguyena.
Unyongolo. Kale ngicasuke wona ngicela isihlobo sikaNkomo.
Exactly.
Isihlobo sakhe sakubantu.
Unkomo ayithe intonga ngithula imic. But anyway, moving along. I want us to discuss like the repercussions of Garden of House. It's a very big event, but it prompted certain people to complain about the event and why am I event elapa? Why are they running into the night? Why are they on a Sunday? You know, that kind of thing. So basically, like I don't know if you discussed this, but I've got more to say.
We did last week, so you can just respond to Mtini and K, please, because they did.
Now so count ambukela episode.
Uyakusenza ngesikhathi podcast.
Mna yabebukela ama podcast. Sengaze ngibukele
Fighter, wena ngohamba usiya support ama fighter kwamakhelwane.
Ngikwezela futhi. So anyway, to me the solution was very simple. If you've got a problem with ama events now and the fact that they're being held at the arena, as someone who's actually got the authority to do something about it, like he's not speaking, as much as he may like to, it may like Kuluma as if he's voicing our opinions about Makelwane. He's the mayor of the country. Hey, not country. Although people say Ulayo is a country, but he's the mayor of the city. He's the mayor of the city. So he actually has there's something that he can do about it, right? Allocate a venue. Right, that will obviously but something that will meet like market standards and market prices, and say right, am I events and no one to be gonna pana. And even if you say want to do 5 events in a day, leave us there, right? And obviously you must subsidize because this is something that's now being catered for by the city.
Knowing Bulawayo, where would you have such?
My guy, council land is vast.
I know, bro.
Yeah.
I know.
Whether
but Lina bake balihambise balihambise sailing club. Ngabangani bethu emergency. Lathi amateki ethu
no, don't do that
accident. Sabe silihambise Mystic. Lathi Mystic ngasesidayo. So Lina
Mystic umakhelwane abakhombina.
But Mystic manje ukhatshana kula makhelwane bese duze.
Mystic.
Ungena phakathi ngani?
Mystic is in the middle of a neighborhood, bro.
Serious?
Yes.
There's houses other side. No, dog. Other side so
ngiyakutshela ukuthi like fine and Tina we think about it this way ngoba there's ngabantu abapaka phakathi kuma events. But think of those people who arrive at like 6 o'clock. People were complaining ukuthi abantu like Ralph umbabangani babo Ralph and sithi Milo sebepaka
Omanye lo bapaka amathi nabantu.
omanje sebebhake amaheji nabantu esebedakela bala abasebenzisa i-toilet bachemele emaflawuzini yabo.
Eish.
So yeah.
Okay.
It is-
So when ideally uthi nga, ngike mfuna ukuza because
Hi, the thing
it's
is,
easy to say allocate hey
Yeah.
nga.
I don't know. But do you know who knows? David Coulthard. When was your just a matter of look business secretary get all right. Give me a list of like certain areas that can fit a certain profiles away from people. Plenty loan
Egoli Coca-Cola Dominga. Those who know SA, nice.
I'm not sure, man.
Is it close to a neighbor or it's a town? Would you know? Where's Coca-Cola? Because we need something. Oh, all right. Abakwazi Staples sending. Think it's a town.
It's
a town, eh?
Yeah, it's a town, yeah.
So yeah, we need something like that.
But also now, this is like this is us now meeting the complainants halfway. In my point of view, look at even Wahambe Joseph, stadiums, it's not good China. They're literally in the middle of the CPT.
Nah, say so wait to
Yeah, but we can
Go stadium Santin.
but although technically Soweto and
Maybe I'm sure
Sandton
there
are next to
is.
each other.
Yeah. I'm sure there is though somewhere.
Yeah, but even then, Soweto's actually got a lot of people there. I think that those people don't complain. My football matches.
They complain njani bona besekhasi. Ekhasi abacomplain.
Nje abantu
Abantu
abahleli
benumber 1 yakuzobe sithi kule ma rally wayisithi. Ngesikhathi sama election beke kwenzakala maybe ama rally 2 weeks or a monthly. Along yazi umsindo we rally
The
ndo.
funny thing is that is actually incorrect. Umuntu who actually like when this whole thing was blowing up, got called Adlean. Someone who actually works at the city council said, I actually sympathize with I want to know all price above we have a complainer because there's actually people from Eluve about complainer on a weekly basis with
For some reason, but nothing was done.
And nothing is done. Like no one ever says, all right, as tunyena mahata blue. Check. We know lapana ku dog section. We MP 250. We check with the nothing ever happens. But if it's people of a certain skin color or people who've got an affinity or proximity to people of a certain skin color, which is those Amasepapsangap, when they complain, bro, like, yeah, this guy with his Boris Johnson hair, he's always quick to say, right, no, we need to do something about it.
Look and someone says it now. Penalty mic.
When?
When? Mic. Yeah, thola njalo. See crack dealer now. So Calvin, what do you think should happen here?
Yeah. Because honestly, this conversation, I'm just like, I don't know shit about what these guys are talking about right now. No, the thing is, I know there's a lot of events that happen in Malawi, but I'm like a serious, indoor person.
All right.
The only time you see me out is when I'm working.
All right.
If I'm not working, I'm indoor.
People
But all right,
aspire to be this guy with the
manasukufaka
crowd.
kuma shoes kamea, right?
Yeah.
You have citizens who are saying, no, these kids are rowdy, they're making noise, we don't want things here. And then you have kids who are saying, hey, we're trying to make money here, la, la, la. And then when you're in the middle of it and you're supposed to help them come to resolution.
We are talking about ICRUV. As in, there was MCing lazy. I'm sure Bryce will understand because I'm also in the wedding industry, MCing and hosting. You always have such events where you have to finish whatever you're doing 6 p.m., latest 7 p.m. Or else the neighbors will now, start calling the neighborhood watch, noise and stuff like that. But when it comes to events, I mean, we are seeing people want to have fun. Most of us are going through a lot, bro. We just need, something that we can just, do that will get us away from, what we're going through. You see how it is? We're evolving in terms of depression and anxiety and stuff like that. So I feel like these events, they are okay to a certain extent. But if now they're now disturbing the peace of other people, then it's not a good thing at the end of the day. So like what you were saying is just a matter of allocating certain locations that that even if we do events 24 hours a day, no one is going to come through and, complain. Actually, people always complain anyway. But what I'm just trying to say is it won't be too much as compared to what's happening lately, where you have an event at ZITF and you have people who stay in Bradfield and you are busy going the whole night and someone wants to sleep. That could be an issue. So the best thing that the city of Lawa can do is just to also, instead of fighting, just find, ways of finding common ground with events planners and stuff like that so that they can find places where they can host these events and make sure every other's needs are catered for without creating problems. I think that could be something that can be done.
Yeah. True say.
Kudala kwakulama, like you could actually like hold a meeting, right? And actually bring like stakeholders or price like us who think we are involved in this and we really have something to say. Or can you do this for us? Like, is that something that still happens?
I don't think it happens, because if it did happen, we wouldn't be where we are right now.
Or maybe these meetings, they have them among themselves, or they tell certain people, they invite certain people.
They have them with people who don't even do events.
Yeah,
You
true.
get this?
I'm starting to believe that, yeah.
So it won't even be making sense. Whatever is being said there, it's something that doesn't make sense at all, because it doesn't involve the people who are on the ground doing the jobs.
Yeah.
All right. Before you guys go far, right? What's the name of the venue?
Zimbabwe International Trade Fair
Showgrounds.
Showgrounds.
For a reason. Okay, right. Which rents are more expensive, Bradfield or Kumalo?
Which what?
Rents, people that pay the most rent, Bradfield or Kumalo?
It's a Kumalo.
Kumalo. Why?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Who usually pays more rent? Someone who lives close to the airport, or someone
like
who
if
lives.
you look at my zones, and like the closer you are to the CBD, the more expensive the land is.
The closer you are to noise, sometimes airports are noisy, right? So there's a reason why Bradfield residents pay less rent compared to Abantu Basekuman, because they are close to what? The showgrounds. There's a reason why people that live close to the airport pay what? Less rents, because
So you're saying that they must just go to Kumalo.
if they want less noise. Because
Or
now
maybe
there's
it's
a
just
guy.
an issue of time. It's an issue. I don't think they have an issue with events or shows whatsoever. It's the issue of the longevity of the events and these
No,
things.
here's let's throw a span into the works. The first time the mayor announced this, what did he say? He said the event went into the early hours.
Meaning
Of-
he was
of-
misinformed.
Monday.
Yeah, meaning that we're now talking 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. maybe.
What
right?
time did the event end?
It ended.
If I say it, they'll say I'm
past
lying.
11.
What?
11:30.
Half 11 is a stretch. 11 o'clock hours, we're out of there, bro.
So the question is, what the mayor was talking about, who fed him that information?
One, the mayor was misinformed.
Was
Two,
misinformed.
he said the event was unsanctioned,
Yeah.
but the event was cleared to the cops, and and censorship was paid for.
Yeah.
So everything was done properly because the company that did that event is a very professional company.
All right.
Right.
all right.
Two, the event did not end at the time that he specified, meaning that the mayor didn't even have time to research on what happened. He just posted because
So in other words, the mayor is wrong.
Yes, very wrong.
he was right, but he did it in the wrong way.
Yeah.
Don't be diplomatic. Yeah?
Ayikho wrong lento.
But the thing
Correct.
is,
But the thing is, but anyway, guys,
Yeah,
I think
anyway.
the guys discussed this in
we
length
actually
last
do,
week,
yeah. I think
Just
yeah,
ping-
Lapa
just
Lapa
ping
was
you.
this event. I'm told Mgrini and KP talked about it a bit last week. But Tina besifuna ukukhuluma nje abantu who actually were there at the event and who are there. The comrades that are there on the ground. Yo, I'm always happy when I see someone wearing a Stars 29 t-shirt. Ralph, are you not wearing one today?
I am.
Yeah, I actually thought of wearing one like that today.
I just says see Ntolwane.
Yeah, I know.
Ntolwane super podcast.
Ngilami, I was like, well, you're gonna
Yeah.
go eat it over there. Anyway, yeah. Now let's move on. Let's move on. Over the past week or so, Red Beach, the trender from South Africa for calling a man. How many times is that? 78 total. 75 one after the
Plus
other. But in
amanye
total, it was
namanye 3
the man had 3. So apparently, people didn't notice. I noticed those other 3.
Wait, like missed calls.
Miss calls, yeah.
75.
75, yeah.
Oh, like,
As in, like, a honey calling you 75 times and you don't pick up. But she keeps calling you 75 times.
will she be safe? Will everything be okay?
Yeah, like, now, which is what I'm saying. It takes a certain kind of mind to be able to call a guy 75 times. But yeah, man, I mean, you know, what's the story surrounding that, man?
Okay, so what happened?
Yeah, what happened?
Indaba le yaqala nge-Instagram story where the honey posted elama scars.
Bruises, yeah.
Wasetheka boyfriend yakwathi thank you or something. Then kwaqasa kutrenda now, you know.
What?
The guy is an abuser. So pressure I think yaqasa kuphaya because the guy is like a businessman, I think. So I'm sure like I said, when lapha I'll lose money. Then was saying the statement.
About 2 days later.
2 days later,
Yeah.
I was saying lama screenshots and all. Like I couldn't miss idea guess stories. The city, no, this person she was wherever she was. But I'm cheating. I was a phone frantically. I'm aware him, and then I didn't respond. Then I think she forcibly got into the guy's house. She tried to stab him. Then you're saying you're self-defense. I know you might be lying, like he's barangeng fashion yama bruise lana so but
No,
anyway,
but also now okay, fine. I'll yeah, continue.
when I go to ngamfuka mbele ndangilihlo lakhe.
No, it's impossible.
How many?
It's actually, I get what
The
you're saying.
question is though.
But
like,
anyway,
Ukailo-
like wesikhulumisa nje story sakhe sithi hayi mina improvokiwe umuntu lo nguye obuye endlini yami la plus khelani nama screenshots lawo bemfonela ka 75 plus 3.
Yeah, plus 3.
So mina whatever happened there was self defense. I was just pushing her away from me because she always does this. Remember class khuluma ukuthi vele ujaya kuwivini la se office afika kulala ama vase amadula la she's wild like that. So yeah. Then indaba siphela khona sesithola ama side onke ayi2 story. So
how did the story end now?
asikapheli.
It's still going on.
Yeah, because Lwana keep a statement. Lwana la angazi ukuthi is there a police case? I doubt. Ngakula ma charges aleyo, I'm sure they're still.
I think the main question is one push from where?
Hey, that must have been a strong push.
Was it could be like a 3-story house, you know? And you push someone on the stairs, bro. I mean, like on the stairs, bro.
Exactly.
It's
yeah,
possible.
Yeah, makes sense.
But I mean, with these things, that's just GBV, right?
Yeah. But here's my theory though. What I think happens. Because we've established ukuthi Mihlalo unjani kakwana uyahlanya phela.
Ha, asukwazi. Oh, on the statement the guy also said she usually acts like that nxa kuma substances.
Yeah, when she takes substances that he can't manage.
That's exactly what you said.
Yeah, that's exactly what she said.
Wathi nxa ngathatha ama substance uba wes.
But mina, I'm inclined to believe that Mihlalo is actually crazy. Like she's one of those psychotoxic chicks, right? Now, I wouldn't put it past her. Fine, mangfukile civil and umuntu ngamfuka like the most, even in a child somewhere, the most I can get like a little bump, like a little bruise on my shoulder or something, right? Not a busted lip, not a swollen an eye.
Exactly. You can go show that.
This is have you seen movies?
Yes.
Someone is pushed, bro. Just
And then,
one
you know,
story
like-
item.
Yeah.
The moment they land, fam, when they show their face in the camera, you're like,
Yeah.
did someone blow a bomb in their face or what? But it was
Kufana
just a
nabantu masara ngokuchaya ngikuzuvika. Ebesithi uzama ukumbulala.
Service family meeting.
Uchaya family meeting.
Ufuna ukumbulala. Umntakazi bani bese bese umdala kho ngini.
Oh my
Umntaka chali.
Uchaya azomntana akho manje kade.
Sekumntakazi.
Yeah. So what I think, right? To me, she's a crazy person. She's toxic. She's crazy.
To you, please.
To me. Yeah,
Abantu
to me.
abalalele podcast leyathanda imidlalo bazozikhansila la.
Yeah. To me, she's umuntu ohlanya.
I don't know
Yeah.
who Mihlali is. So I don't know how true that is.
Umuntu ohlanyayo, I wouldn't put it past them, right? To then fabricate bruises for social capital, like social mileage. Udakwani is good post on social media. Ngichayiwe remember le. Obviously, ufike endlini, washuta, and it didn't go your way. And now you're afraid that this guy is actually gonna out me. Like people are gonna see who I am. I'm a coked up,
So when
crazy
uthi
person.
esebuyele endlini wadlula kumanye umpepho ezothi akungishape ngeyi-1 lapho boy.
Angazi, awuzakubona kuma-movie Jay besithi, hey Jay, we need to make this look real.
So that was a cover.
Bathezela kumanye umpepho ezothi akunike 1 lapho.
Hey,
Or 2.
700.
But like, does she have a history of doing things like those, or this was
Yes,
the
she
first
does.
time she's done
No,
that?
it's not the first time.
It's not the first time.
I think
not
this
the
one
first
is the first time ever out like this. 'Cause
Exactly, yeah.
in the past, what would happen is rumors because I think kulama video ka influencer like Tong Ino or some shit, or like if you
Kachanga umusa futhi?
wachalo Musa Kaula.
Yeah.
Musa Kaula is a blogger actually. He was always
But
writing shit about it.
I'm sure he deserved it.
Yeah, he deserved it. So what happened is, I think beze bebele fallout lonkazana lona oyenza la video wathi Mihlali actually does things. Wabe like signaling what to take cocaine. And then people didn't take it serious at that time. So that video resurfaced as a trender. So we compare the statement and maybe she's not clean after all. So that's where we are now currently.
No.
But what drives men though to disclaimer? This has nothing to do, with gender identification or throwing shade to any particular gender. It's
No.
just an honest question.
Yeah.
what drives men to still maintain a relationship with someone like that, like someone who has an issue with substance use and stuff like that? Like, is
It's
there?
physical aid.
No, I want to understand.
It's physical 10, not physical aid.
Xa uhlezi lapha namajita James umchiye nje umuntu lo. You're like, mfethu, you don't understand.
Ngabe kanishaye community police forum.
So in other words, we're trying to say how crazy and how mentally freaky they are when things go south. It's also the same thing in the boom boom room. You see what we're talking about?
That's what, from what I've heard about guys that date toxic chicks. Yeah, it's kind of in the.
Yeah, kaya nga nabantu bakhona
Yeah.
naturally that
They are
they're passionate.
passionate.
Passionate. Love, like
Yeah.
they take
Either
it.
way, either side of the spectrum, they're just passionate.
So when they're fucking
Yeah.
things up, they are passionate about
passionate.
doing
They're
it.
fucking
When they're
doing
in
it.
love, they're passionate.
Exactly. yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
They take it to the top.
they make sure.
Have you ever been with a toxic chick?
I have, yeah.
Do you miss her? Especially the other part.
Guys, my girlfriend is watching this podcast.
Nah, bro. Like,
don't know.
love
We
sikhuluma
don't-
ngento
it's a
zokudala.
gossip. We don't know.
No, I don't. I definitely.
Is it
Laba
because your
zosinika
girlfriend is
ama-PR answer
watching?
la.
That's valid. But no, I don't. I prefer not to think about it actually.
You can plead the fifth.
Like
it's okay.
what was the worst?
Yeah, I
You can plead the fifth.
What was the worst thing that she like did?
Toxicity.
Ezondile.
Physical abuse, my guy.
Bakuchaya ungaka?
Wena?
Indoda engaka wakhala?
No.
Ngiyasilalela.
Kakalanga, but
This is why we end up committing
Wakalala.
suicide. This is exactly why we end up committing suicide.
Ngiyadlala man.
Why can't I tell my cheater that I was
I was
physically
trapped.
abused?
Yeah, shame, bro. She
Yeah.
didn't. Mina ngabe ngona uchaya mina right. Mina ngamfunie umuntu lasechika ama PlayStation lapha. Hey wena. Hey. Behave yourself.
Yeah, it's never gotten to that extent, like as in like theatrics and so on.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. But,
Actually PlayStation ku bathtub.
Wait, now.
Uzotha sisabona what you will play now. Since you are playing me.
I think this is every guy's worst nightmare, bro. Like, 20 PlayStation 5 done.
Ibhukusha.
Got it out. Done. Wow. No, bro.
Akuchuni. But yeah. So into engitsho ukuthi akho 100%, maybe like the guy is wrong. Maybe like
No,
he was
actually,
always
if you
messing
look
up.
at
yeah.
that statement, and there's actually a part where I'm inclined to think that there's a different part of the story, but that part of the story makes everything that he was saying true, right?
Yeah.
There's a part of the story
Like it
where,
was kind of like gaslighting. him.
he was exactly he was. There's a part of the story where this guy is a cheater, right? He's a cheater, and the worst that you can do to a crazy bitch is to cheat on her publicly. Yeah, well. So at the end of the day, I mean, like I've got no sympathy for the guy because, like, as in, like, expected, like it was bound to happen. But all it does, it means that maybe most of what you were saying about the incident at the house where she was carrying a knife trying to kill him was actually true. But he left out the part whereby, no, I was cheating on her, or she was told by people that I'm cheating on her, and like basically here she was coming to punish me for my crimes.
But then he asked a question that we didn't answer.
Yeah.
Ukuthi even singasakufaka ugender ukuthi why do guys stay?
Yeah.
Because labafazi bakhona bachaya. Why do people stay in those kind?
Mina from
things.
my friends and
Generally,
who have been involved like in physically abusive relationships who are women, I've noticed Wutibona, they actually now at some point they now associate that violence with love. Which umuntu lo unjaya ngoba uyandithanda. Remember, like what our parents would tell us when they disciplined us when we were growing up. To know I'm doing this, my son, because I love you. I want you to be better. And somehow, in a toxic, fucked up way, they now think about it the same way. Like this guy's doing this because he loves me, or he wants me to be a better person. I really shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done whatever it is that made him like want to lay hands on me. So it's difficult for you to leave. In fact, actually, it makes you now want to stay more because you're like, at the end of the day, and you end up thinking, I'm chimemba, like after all we've been through, After Mampama Onkelana, Jay.
Imagine.
sebekuholisa amampama.
Now the relationship don't
Usengakhuluma
slap no more.
ama-specifics. Now the relationship is not slapping anymore.
Yeah, ne? So, that's why, I think, that's actually fact. Abantu abaningi usually like to think a relation. Of course, it is in a way. And try progression, like you're building a high-rise building. Since story number 50, shooting foundation. Let's just continue. But sometimes maybe you're actually destroying. You're not even building upwards. So you just need to check those things and see if it's really worth it or not. But maybe deal breaker.
It's not worth it. It's
deal
not.
breaker, guys.
It's not worth it, guys.
Impama very
What
deal
say
breaker.
impama? The next thing, ingam,
Exactly.
ihloka and stuff like that. So I mean, no matter what you have built with someone, your mental wellness, it goes a long way, fam. It's never a bad thing to start again. We always start over, always. So we shouldn't find, these excuses to say, but I've been with this person. No, man. No. It shouldn't be like that. If it doesn't serve your interests, safety and all that, leave.
Also, there's that thing which, like, all of us are battling like different things, even from our childhood. And baneng abantu have got something called the savior complex. Which fine, I'm seeing this guy is abusive, but I actually want to make him less abusive.
I'll change him.
Or I'm seeing that this girl is toxic. I want to make her less toxic. Like, it's actually not your job to do that.
Bruh, no
Like,
one needs saving, bruh.
like, I so tender like of it.
You're not God.
You're not God, exactly.
There's this other lady who once said, ukuthi, most ladies say, ukuthi, uguy okuchayo uyakuthanda. Nga engakuchayi means doesn't care, but konkana ukuthi iyakuchaya, trying to it feels like a parent.
Yeah, exactly.
Discipline.
Yeah, I've heard that as well.
So combine so this guy really likes me, so I cheated. Instead of leaving me, which means this guy really loves me. But this thing grows. And when it comes to men, the reason why men stay is contesting. Who has seen that video of that guy Evutelus Kuni? Like Kuni lang kona level unganishe njenge peach. No, like the female organ. You see, so and that guy will be speaking, hey, what you then he blows his coon, then a flame comes up and he's like, yo.
Yeah, I've seen it.
So yeah.
Now, in all this, what I've learned is that, like, Kudala used to judge people a lot. Like, especially but it's actually not that simple.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, like the more you grow up, like even you don't even need to go through some of the stuff where you actually won't. Like it's with this kind, like you have to have like situational awareness. It's actually not. It's not so simple. Yeah.
But because it's a matter of the heart and the mind. The mind knows what's supposed to happen logically because the mind is logic, and mind is logic. Okay, umuntu lo yakuchaya is abusive. Melumchiye. Inhliziyo ithi but yamthanda umnandi.
It's just an organ, guys, that pumps blood.
Sometimes use your brains, guys. Stop thinking with your heart. Stop thinking with your heart. The problem these days, we think with our hearts and our private parts. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Brain-wise is dead. That's the thing. Things of, like this, these love things. Zero. That's the thing. The only time you start thinking, that's when you start committing crimes. When you start beating people up, you start hurting people. That's now you thinking, of doing something. But you could have avoided doing that by not using your private parts. That's the thing. But now, I mean, like what he's saying, I totally agree with that. It's a sensitive topic. But I mean, if there is anything we can do to help, reduce the risks of these things, it's just to say, when things are not well, just find someone to talk to. Some of these things, they happen because we borrow emotions a lot, especially for men. Because the problem that we're also having is we are not creating environments where people can openly talk about things that they are going through. Because we are operating under these standards. And you come to me and tell me, bro, she bashed me. I'll be like, nigga, what? It'll be a joke to me.
Yeah.
But to you, it's something that is serious. So I think the main thing we're always encouraging, we need to talk, but the question is, are we creating the right platforms that can actually encourage us to talk? Yeah. We are not. Because every time men are gathered, it's a bragging and, That's what we're doing. Go in the gyms, boss. Go in the gyms. 3 main topics that men talk about: sports, pussy.
But there's something
Pushy. Lokuthi
else we
lama
talk
business
about?
apho le mali.
Yes, we talk about.
When you talk of sport, there is beer involved. When you talk of sport, there is women involved. When you talk of women, are we talking about their hair, their nails? No, we're talking of the between the legs ministry. You know, that's what we're talking about. And everyone is good when it comes to these things. How many times have you been as guys, and someone will be like, guys, I'm struggling in that department.
Exactly.
Everyone uyabulala
Yonke
ndoda.
imembe
Everyone
yabulala.
inja again.
But amankazana ku-Twitter athi
After 2 minutes, I'm
imagine going to get laid and not knowing if you're gonna come. But these are the same oaks
But
that are
it's in a
telling us.
season,
Hey,
Uzuthe uthi lapha ngamhlaba lowana ndoda. Even the way they say it, brother, like
yeah.
the brother man represented.
But those is when I went, niggas, you're not
Nothing is
delivering.
happening.
You're not landing.
A win is a win.
You just need to be real with each other. You know?
But nyobile.
At the
I
end
just
of the day,
translated what you said.
it is
I
what
just
it is.
translated what you said.
But I think he's bringing up like into real, bro. Like as guys, we really need to have like conversations.
Very
Like,
honest
Authentic
conversations.
we're so
We need
surface,
that.
bro.
Yeah.
Like you could want remember yakwanza to chone lo muntu 1 week pomthiwa itaonga walibizo like.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You don't even know what the guy does, bruh. For you.
Exactly.
Otherwise, maybe you can actually collaborate, bruh.
That's true.
I remember vele yeah. It's just their egos phambili they know kunye sokulanda.
But you know, I think as guys, it's hard for us to tell each other difficult things. But the way we go through things with each other is talking about things that we have in common. You could uthola ukuthi yakwanisa ukuxoxa 2 hours lo mjida ongamaziyo, and you be like you've known each other for a long time because you are guys.
Yeah.
You know, I think there's a certain angazi ngathi telekinesis something. Ukuthi understand, no, I need to talk to this guy and this guy needs to talk to me.
Yeah.
And there's this joke I trained that during COVID. A city, I miss going to the bar and meeting a friend engamaziyo. Then we talk for years. Then he stands up and says, "Can you cut my chair for me and I'll cut it with my life and I'll kill anyone who tries to take my guy's chair." But never for that particular time. Yeah, boy.
Then I saw another one that was saying that like among women, there's nothing as fake as the conversation that they have in the bathroom with each other. I don't know, is it true? Hey girl, you look so good. Exactly. They're like, nah, those are fake. Those are fake women. But anyway, I think we've kind of exhausted this topic. Right. I've got here a notice from the city of Bulawayo, and it's about the correction of articles and social media posts on alarming statistics. Yeah. Statistics.
Short
Allow
meeting
it.
is cute. Jacob Zuma. Is that you?
What recording? I was recording. On alarming stats on HIV positive women in Bulawayo. All right. Right. So I'll just read verbatim. The city of Bulawayo notes with concern recent articles with the headlines "Alarming stats on HIV positive women in Bulawayo" and "Alarming stats in Bulawayo HIV testing reveals 71.7 positivity rate among women" on various publications and social media posts, stating the following: 90% of women aged between 16 and 50 plus tested for HIV in Bulawayo in June 2024, 71.7% positivity rate among those women. Nationally, the HIV prevalence for the 15 to 49 years age group is 10.49%, and the HIV prevalence for Bulawayo is 11.75%. It's a very long topic. It's a very long article, but essentially their correction here was that ultimately what this headline was supposed to say.
Yeah, come on.
What the headline was supposed to say is a very serious topic. What the headline was supposed to say is that there's been 11.75% increase among that sample group.
Yeah, I went research on stats.
Yeah.
Like my introductory phases, they tell you statistic is such a wonderful tool, but it disadvantage yayo.
Yeah.
It can be used to push a narrative. You can literally like pick a sample yenhlanya eziyi-10 then uzibuza imbuzo then usuhambe yenza i-article yokuthi isample yami njalo ukuthi 9 out of 10 amadoda abulayo ahlanya.
Yeah.
So statistics can always be used to push an because
Even when I saw it, man, it was a very misleading
abantu usually engezwa kuthiwa ngama numbers they think it's religion, it's the Bible, iqiniso.
Yeah.
Just because there are numbers involved. They think it's objective, but it's not.
And I'm sure this week ama-condom akayathengwa zibe.
Yeah. But I think into ezinje zi-right. Ukwenza ukuthi sike
Yeah, I mean, the effect of it is positive, but also like you can't look for a positive outcome by planting paranoia within the people. It's
Yikuthi
not right.
kulo munye umuntu edesithi the same publication yake yiyo leni yake yaphenduka yathi ngaki 90% of Bulawayo men are gay.
Yeah, exactly.
Yaphenduka futhi yathi
I remember
like
checking,
kuhlala
yeah,
kuna
so
statistics
this
vela
khangelana,
wild, bro. Like they really
Ngawe,
wild statistics eBulawayo.
Bakhuluma ngawe lapha.
Like they're saying
Exe-
Bulawayo guys are gay. But then
You know
someone
what
is
I mean,
asking,
yeah.
guys, i-survey le la yenza ngami maybe la yenza
Yeah.
ku Human Rights Party ngale
Yeah.
we
Umnceba hamba lapha
Where people-
ecafe lokuzeni.
hey
Wamaphandle.
Where is that?
Laphandle.
kule
Ngaphandle.
indawo edumileyo vele
It's not fair if
Abathi.
I don't know what you guys are talking
No,
about.
this one we can't say.
Alright, it's alleged that an establishment
I get it.
It's not an establishment.
close to BC there harbors
A bit too
the
close
community.
to BC, one would
Yes.
say.
So wayathola ukuthi umuntu wayesenza research le why
Why
distribute
paki imoto
ama-question
phandle
yakhe
vele
khona
lapha,
phane.
kuza abantu as they
Hey.
pass by. Uthi, hey, are you gay, Chomi? Uthi, yes.
Yes, Chomi.
Yeah, uthi, yes, Chomi. Uthi, why? Who's asking?
Yeah, but
So
So Tina, it's not a Zara. We're not catching strays.
i-disadvantage vele statistics iyona le ukuthi into lezi can really be misused, bro.
Yeah.
Abantu laba kuthiwa bahamba kwakuyi-program yani cervical cancer screening whatever for people who are already positive, but of course abasoze bavalelela aba-negative, so that's why abantu laba bathi betesta kwabe le 10% leyana yabantu aba-negative. And then this bruise went on a rampage. So
I can't
Anyway.
imagine. Yeah, we're cooking.
they knew what they were doing.
They
though.
knew what they were doing.
Sometimes wabefuna le mileage.
Yeah,
Kade sengiyona
exactly.
sikhuluma ngawo.
Yeah. I'm sure really like for a while, publication this probably like they got the most sales this week. Yeah, because everyone's like, wait, what? 90%.
but at the same time, they got people depressed a lot.
Yeah. So imagine.
I mean, bro, omunye khona apha the previous week or something uyabe
Into lena I think maybe yaphuma nge day after
ungagqoka ngijazi lomkhwenyana lana.
Uyabona?
And then ubusuvuka
you
ule
read
cough.
that article.
Uyagalile.
Uyafa phela nto.
udlula imoto enumber plate ebhale HI.
Hey, engena it's a sign.
Hesh.
And you don't even go and get tested by the way.
Anxiety.
Like,
Bafethu ngilale
And
mpahla
where's the
kuthiwa
age groups
anxiety.
that they're mentioning, bro? Was if you notice, I mean, our beautiful city is famous with groove and stuff. You talk of Garden of Ours, you talk of Manchester Sneaker Expo, Blah Shutdown and stuff like that. I mean, would you be surprised with these statistics at the end of the day? Was that way, people go like people What are you saying?
Into ze-Harare, we don't do that here. People
What do you
perambulating
mean?
and groove.
What do you mean we don't do that here? Who's we?
Yeah, I'm speaking for people from Bulawayo. The sisters of this beautiful city, they're morally upright. We don't do that.
Bagunqicha.
Bayancishana.
Abanikani le nyama.
My question is he saying this because
Amabhutshe ecwele so.
No.
So
Not to
here's
me.
the thing.
Okay, now let me give you an example, right? You know how everyone's got a story with, no, I once smashed in the car park of a Lokuzen, a club, or in the toilet of a club. Among my friends, we don't have any such story. I'm actually inclined to our groovies, or certified groovies. I'm actually inclined to believe that Indole, like, it's actually not the rule, it's the exception, right? So, let's say this weekend someone is caught fucking in the toilet at the smokehouse. It doesn't mean that every weekend someone is fucking in the toilet at the smokehouse. So I don't know, man. Like I think Tina, what I've noticed about people from Bulawayo, asambe a groove, let's say we're single, we're not going to groove, which is your catch.
Yeah.
So hoha. Aye. We're literally going there to enjoy amaseta abo Ryan Sins labo Kotane labo Nisheti so.
La we putaza awusavuli.
Oh, atufundi Tiko.
Qamukile.
Ah, sorry. Uprice kanti umsebenzi akona.
Funa unatha ndoda vula lapha.
Anyway, I don't know. I had to quickly correct that. I really don't think that. Yeah, maybe Harare ngale bagenza, you know.
Because indaba lana
Yeah.
stress ilana ukuthi bafaka abantu stress. Stress is cause HIV. Yaba le stress kuyiba.
Ah, no kana it's never improving.
But it
Doesn't make sense. No.
But if you notice, guys, and in the HIV, if you notice that even when you are not doing anything, fam, and you are asked to go test, you are a virgin, fam. You are asked to go test.
Praise.
Lin. That's fire, G. But anyway.
So I was saying, it's not an easy thing just to hear about and just ignore, you know, because you will be scared. You will feel some type of way. Just the mention of it, it will make you feel some type of way.
Yeah.
So there's an article that is telling you that 90%, you know, of women in a city that you stay in, people that you meet,
Yes.
that you collaborate with and work with,
Yeah, it is a worrying stat. Yeah, definitely.
it will mess you up.
Yeah.
So it's wrong what they're doing. They shouldn't be, you know,
Planting that, like I was
Publishing
saying,
these days and
exactly,
stuff like that.
because it plants paranoia within people unnecessarily. Tell us the truth. Tell us that all you're trying to say is that there's been 11% increase.
simple.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be crafting things to sell papers.
Nah. And that's how rumors start. You know, like says Chile and like, that nigga, that one doesn't look healthy.
Yeah.
Or that chick, that one doesn't look cheap. Yeah, well, that's how rumors start unnecessarily. Man.
Because, bro, some of us
And
are
that even feeds into people's depression.
Some of us are diabetic, bro. Our bodies are not ours anymore. We can gain, we can lose, just like that. The next thing,
Someone saying, hey, Kelvin, yeah, cheese.
dude, Konapa, you met me previous week. I was looking, and then next thing, that's next thing, yeah, he's one of them.
Yeah,
It shouldn't be okay. Everyone who's publishing these statistics and all that, it's not good.
Yeah, I
Please
think they must be held
publish,
accountable.
You know, factual things. Thank you so much. In
Most
advance.
definitely. Yeah, man. I think. Hey, today's gonna be a short one, cousin. There's gonna
Now
be.
we still have questions.
We still-
Don't
we still-
worry,
yeah, but
don't worry.
I know, but.
But here, umujahe house these days.
namvuka bana kudlala bani vena mhla
Namhla kulo Sky.
sambe sombona. Anyway,
G.
Olympics, guys. I don't think we talked much about the Olympics, but sephelile.
Sephelan.
Yeah, sephelile. Any notable moments for you guys? If you watched any races, if you watched any events?
Yeah, for me, it's always the short distance races.
Run, okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's like the main thing for me. And I should say I was a bit disappointed in a number of disciplines, mainly because of the shortage of Jamaican representatives. Because if you notice from all these previous Olympics, when you talk of Olympics, we are all looking forward to see what Jamaica has in store for us. But this time around, oh man, it wasn't all that. And then on the USA side, you know, there was what's his name? Noah Lyles.
Noah Lyles, yeah.
Yeah,
The guy who came in third.
COVID guy. Who put
Nje
away
sebekudile sithi no bengigula.
the ambassador COVID.
Vele ngigula.
Officialized
20
the
seconds
Olympics.
ethi vele yazi namhla vele mina bengafuni yazi bensenzela wena.
Kodwa ngena uJobo ngamtela ku race. Ngena ujumpa lapha uThabi.
But Lapana had that was crazy. But I mean, for what it did, it's good for his brand. It's very good. It actually aligns with who he is. And trust you me, all that drama, you know, that happened after he did all that, it made him even more relevant. Because imagine, who won that 200-meter race is the Botswana guy. How many times did we talk about him winning that gold medal? No,
People
we're
started
talking a lot
talking
about
about,
what? About Lyles. So Lyles was doing, he knew what he was doing. And up until now, we are still talking about him. I mean,
Always
we're
always
actually-
root for the underdog.
Exactly.
Always
that's the
root
thing.
for the underdog.
But yeah, man, it was okay. But I'm just happy as well. The Zim team that also were present, Kuma tracks. I was happy. But it's something that I was talking about with a fellow athlete who, wow, it's okay. So I was discussing with a fellow athlete who also wished that he could have gone to the Olympics, because according to him, he says his finishing time is actually better than the other guy who was there. No. The same guy. Charamba. Yeah. But now the issue is, I was asking myself, why did Charamba decide on doing 200 meters? Because
Charamba got burnt.
his takeoff is poor. He's good for 400 meters, but if you notice, he peaks when the race is about to end.
Yeah.
So for 200, it's not for him. But if you look at
Makarao.
Makarao, he's in the right space.
Yeah.
He just needs to,
He's got a
fix
quick takeoff,
exactly.
and basically maintains that
And
the
even
entire race.
his strides,
Yeah.
you can lose count when you're counting. With Charamba, you can count. Ba, 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 ba. But at the end of the day, we are happy, we are proud of them. They actually made us proud. The fact that they made it to the final, it's something for us. Them not being able to stand on the podium, no, it's okay. We hope 2024 we actually have someone representing us. But them being there, it goes a long way. But I mean, as Zim, it's only 7 representatives, guys.
Like when it comes to those sprinters, I think they really did well, because even Usain Bolt said, I trained for 4 years for me to be able to run 9 seconds. Those guys is their first Olympics, right? Personally, I would expect something better from them after 4 years, because you must learn from your mistakes. But I wouldn't call that a mistake, but I'll call that experience, because you have seen how those people that you run with work hard. Meaning, which okay, I need to pull up my socks on ABCD. But okay, sprinter. But for me, the highlight of the Olympic was that guy.
The pole vault.
No, not the pole.
Oh yeah, the pole vault
There's a
guy.
pole vault.
Hey, man.
That guy stood out so much, and no one even knows who came in first.
Bruh. Because of a God-given asset.
Like, as in, to show you how much of sensation this
Because of his pole.
Because of his pole. There's that guy. I wonder how who people actually know the guy who lost the event. Yeah. And then there's a guy, the shooting guy.
The shooting guy.
The guy who came in second.
That guy's from Ukraine, right?
No, not it's Turkey.
He came in second, right?
Came in second. No one knows who came first. No one's got an idea who or number one.
Wasn't it that lady who had a lot of weird things and blah, 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 blah?
We don't know.
We don't know. Personally, I don't know.
Everyone just focused on the
Everyone was like, that guy who just had his hands in the pockets was wearing specs and he just and left.
He was so composed.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Yeah, so I don't know. This Olympics was it was notable. It was notable. I had my own Zimbabweans that I was looking out for. Yeah. There was a guy who went swimming. Denilson Cipriano's, he did well. Yeah, and he's a young guy. He's 21.
What happened to Donata? What's the name? Donata Katai, right?
Who's that?
The swimming lady.
From Zoom.
Yeah.
That's the only swimmer we know is Kirsty Kovi.
Oh, boy.
Didi Mkuru.
Yeah. PPL.
PPL Kirsty. That's the one we know, my guy.
Yeah. So,
yeah. But then there was the controversial thing. Which, we sent 7 people. I'm Olympians, I'm 7. And then my officials, there were 67 in total.
yeah, this can't.
That was a holiday. My guy.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah. It was madness.
Nah, it was
But
madness.
you
I didn't speak about my highlight. Highlight Olympics. I was literally seeing things online, bro. Low discipline, so I love cycling. There's this guy, or I think he was ahead of the pack in like 2 minutes or something. What if he was like across the line? What we miss it like the stretches on so try. Yeah, this is aura, bro. Imagine you celebrate to play to come with the like we pick.
What?
Wow. And he took his time. Why can't you what celebrate with it was so hammer. Number 2 and a touch.
Yeah.
That's how crazy that she was. So yeah, for me that was my highlight. And then today, angazi ukuthi into lezi catch steam, but today, between yesterday and today, there's a trend something official account Olympics, but like really real, like as a way just to say thank you
White people.
And then there was only white people.
Yeah.
And 1 or 2 black Americans go pay. Then people were like,
Which is wild. Do you know how wild this is? Remember, ever since we've been born, people were watching the Olympics for one event, the 100-meter dash, short
Yeah.
distances, right?
yeah.
Which would essentially mean that Abantu, this Olympics, we're watching it for,
For the sprints, yeah.
Yeah. So, Gahle, Utebogo we Botswana should be the man of the Olympics.
Exactly.
He's literally the world's fastest man as we speak right now.
Yeah.
Nah, no, lies no win. I know you win 100
100
meters.
meters.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
but he
like,
was
I
still
don't
he was
think
beaten,
Upumile-
he was beaten in 200.
I don't think
Gahle,
Upumile would real life would.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah, when
So people were like,
they're like,
which one is this one now?
Yeah.
So yeah.
No, the
for me-
Olympics was very controversial in so many ways. Really religiously, remember the opening ceremony?
Yeah, the opening ceremony
Yeah.
was also
And
a
the
mess.
budget, boss.
Yeah. What was how
Budget
much
was-
was the budget
That
for?
was like what was 8 point something billion, right? If I'm not
Billion?
mistaken. Yeah.
Damn.
Billion, boss.
Damn.
Imagine ukuthi singayithatha imali yana sihambise egadini vazo ndawo ukuthi singayenza.
8 billion talk.
Uyipoint yona lana nje.
Ebe kushuna ublack
Sihambe
hole.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
egadini vazo under the sun.
A lot. Because if you look at the monies that Snoop Dogg was being given to promote
Kanje there was
and all
Snoop
that, and
doing side quests.
bruh, it was a lot.
Yeah.
It was a lot.
Yeah, but well, it is what it is. Nganti ngabanikazi bayo. Ngezi basole.
Yeah,
But if we're going to
it's
talk
also-
about, the Christian side of the Olympics and all that, I was hoping someone was going to mention the drama in the boxing arena. Where is it something that we can talk about?
I don't know, we can.
Or we can
The
just
thing
say,
is, I feel like I'm misinformed. But how? That was a man, that one.
they actually
Me,
say,
I'll say it. Everyone's
actually
afraid to
say
say
it's
it. Me, I'll
not.
say it.
yeah.
That was a man. Imagine,
and
Ralph, umna wakwan, or whoever, usehambe uma Olympics, he qualified. And then you find she's facing a man.
I'll go there and fuck that nigga up. Nah, I'm playing. Hey.
And apparently that athlete is suing Donald Trump and Elon Musk.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Why?
Right, but what I'd want to know now, and I researched about this actually, and I never got a clear answer. Is she what we laymen would call a biological female?
Yes. Uyasithi lona kuthiwa ufana nalobani?
Yeah.
Ufana loCaster. Ngumuntu lona kuthiwa webe yinkazana. But
That is not a biological.
No,
Casa is not a
this-
biological female.
It's situation
Hiyo
like
je.
Aye.
Caster hiyo je. Caster umfazi, dude.
But remember, Casta then underwent a sex change.
No. Caster didn't go through anything, bro. Caster,
She
you
had
know
two
what
items,
happened?
eh?
You know
She was
Caster
born
go
with
through
two items, huh?
Hey, Caster has 2.
And then you
Oh,
yeah.
But-
then she took out the.
No, A dominant.
Ushivula ati.
No, A dominant vele ngoba umfazi. Eh, so Caster
Oh
umfazi.
my
But
goodness.
naturally ule exactly. Kule bala lakhona esikhethwe
I kept hearing that
also
word from
forgetting the
Kokwan, but I
name,
never
yeah,
knew what
but-
it meant.
Yeah. So uCaster ngumfazi guys. Kazange wayintsha lotho. Caster ngumfazi. But then kula
So in other
bafazi
words,
vele
we can say
abanjani.
it's not right to label Caster as a lesbian.
No. So in
Not even right.
that, but no. What I'm saying now, I'm talking about like when I say biological female, I'm saying let's look at her opponent. The one who was defeated. Okala Yopel.
Yeah.
I'm saying like in terms of biological composition and even the history of their sexes, bayafana na yini. It's
Bafana.
no ngeke befana.
Yeah, Jay. Abantu laba bonke into equalify umuntu ukuthi kuthiwe lo ngumfazi kuyini. It's the V. U-V class. So
But now but also
so mana ngaqedi. But kulomunye ukuthi ebele V class but
Enengunda
then
futhi phela.
ebese siba le
Enengunda
testosterone eningi.
ngiko elifake testosterone ka.
So ikubona uCaster bamhambise court. Yakumuntu uCaster bese court iminyaka yonke le bese
Yeah,
kuthiwa
yeah,
kumele athathe something to suppress testosterone.
Yes, yeah.
Because uba le unfair
If
advantage.
she's going to compete in women's sports.
Yikho iboxer leni yelakho she had more testosterone but biological female but she had more so
but
she
you-
was mainly even
But
lawo
guys,
age vele
that athlete was being-
uyavusa phansi.
No, The
Che,
athlete
why
was
won't
being
she
labeled
remember?
as
Why this is bad?
transgender.
I'm
bro.
going to why Johnny?
Did you realize that? That athlete was being addressed as transgender.
Yes.
There's a difference
is
from
why I
what we're
was
talking about
asking, would you like-
UCAST and all that.
yeah.
It's a difference.
I think it's very different.
yena i-problem yakhe yasti yikuyini ikuthi washo identify as a man or whatever
Oh,
but
and then-
you know biologically
So uthi yena at some point why le confusion?
ephuma phakathi kukamama akhe nge-first minute kumbe ama-first seconds phuma phakathi kwamama akhe she had a female reproductive organ.
Mna ngithi abantu laba
Yeah.
abayenziwe le eyabo. Andafuna
It's
yabona
only
kula
fair.
Paralympics.
It's only fair.
Ama-trans
Translympics, exactly, bro.
yeah.
Because like if and I mean fine, I'm saying it as pants right now. But if we don't do that, there's always gonna be this joke. For example, let's say I'm in a wheelchair, right? And I wanna play basketball, right? Same way there's basketball at the Paralympics. I wanna play basketball in Funguidala, I'm LeBron. Team USA, LeBron, Curry, Durant. I wanna play against them. Bruh, those guys will dunk on me the whole day. They'll shoot threes on me the whole day, bro. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna be like, no, but they've got an unfair advantage over me, right? So, gahle, what's simpler is no. Let me then compete with other people that are within my class, Rabon.
Fanana lo Oscar Pistorius ezecela ukuhambe eshaye 200 meters labantu abalenyawo zeqiniso. Amshiya njani?
They should have given him that opportunity. You never know what could
Bamnika, bamchiya. Bamnika, bamchiya.
And they bent him. Then he's like,
They
no,
fried
but
him,
you know
they
they've got
fried
legs. Me, I don't have legs.
At least
what were you
he can
doing
say,
there?
I ran with people with legs.
But still, at what cost?
They fried you.
Yeah, you check. So I think the simplest thing, like, because we're always gonna have this debate for the next 10, even 50 years, as long as like we haven't like trans people, or if you're not like someone who fits a certain like category in terms of biological composition or whatever. Yeah, even your history, as a person. But there's many people like you. So I'm sure like that sample size is big enough for us to then create an event for them.
Since they want to, be inclusive, it will be only
I'm sure
right.
baningi ocaster phandle lapha.
Yeah,
Uthi hayi ucaster yena kangigijimile abafazi. Kagijimela abanye abantu abanjengaye.
Have you even looked, even the female athletes, short distances, 100 meters, how they act?
Yeah.
But
They are
guys,
more masculine, bro.
like libona even ochera abadlali girls soccer guys.
No, but now
You have seen how
let's
those
throw a
people
spanner into the
behave.
works. Do you know like the reason what confused me about this boxing chick with Olympics? The research that I found, yafaka lo Serena Williams. As far as I'm concerned, Serena Williams is a woman. She may be muscular, but umfazi pelani.
But you ask kulesikhathi bake bamtesta khona.
Yeah, I know.
Especially lapha engakaphilisi of life career
Yeah.
sefaka ama
Yeah, and it's-
wayengane ngumember.
Exactly.
So iko konke
sometimes
engikutsho.
she's always battled throughout her career.
Did you
but we
guys
can
ever
always say
follow
that
wrestling?
Ulana umfazi.
Did you ever follow wrestling?
Yes.
You know Ronda, what's her name?
Ronda Rousey.
Ronda Rousey.
Yeah.
Look
That's
at that
another,
chick.
that's another one. Like Ronda Rousey, I'm kind of like, hey, remember
Exactly.
Exactly, yeah. But you have a
But that is a
biological
woman.
female. Exactly.
Yeah.
Nguyena lo boxing.
Nah.
Ngiyalitshela. Lena ukuthi lapha bekuve kule narrative yena
What I said,
ukuthi
it was flat.
lina lifuna ukuqala abantu abama-trans guys. That's your problem.
But I boxing, I was not remember that. I keep saying remember. Umuntu lana
Thina
boxing.
even enasti nje ngokulomunye usisi we-engineering very members azisithi ngumema wayele chest owona ngaqo isigqoko but i-chest yakhe i-flat elamama egele i-cheese cob but wayengumfazi so kulabantu abanja imagine umuntu onjalo kuthiwe maybe eqasa ukugijima lamanye amankazana eqasa ukuchana lamanye amankazana vele bele advantage phezu kwabo so yeah but khathesi of course kule confusion lanti kule member ezihamba lazo zithi zingabafazi so sokugcina sokuhluba but there are people naturally vele ukuthi uyabe ngumfazi but i-resemblance yakhe vele ebingendoda so angazi ukuthi
What do you know? Not Joe.
Joe.
Yeah, ne.
Anyway, I was watching some funny. I don't even know if it's a podcast because that thing was like 5 minutes. And some two random dudes wearing pajamas. Ekuseni. Members, I don't think those guys have jobs, bro. Achona besenzibusaka but they are zibuza imbuzo echazayo so sathatha umbuzo wazo one of a question of the day before we go. So ibuze yathi would you rather ube le girl of your dreams selilonke lapha and then cheat and then it happens in such a way that everyone in your circle abazali bakho they see maybe kumbe ku leaky sex tape or something like that. Wonke umuntu abekwazi ukuthi bakufebele.
But it's a kind of it.
Girl of your dreams. Crush yakho maybe ngoBeyonce ngombani whatever. Whatever. So ube le girl of your dreams but no one ever finds out even you ukuthi ukuchithele but ku lifetime yena akuchithele maybe at least 8 times. Where time.
I'd rather not know.
8 no now.
Lapha uyabukwazi but you won't know. Awusoze le
Everyone else knows.
No.
Yena nguyedwa wazi.
Lawe uyakwazi somehow it's wired in your brain ukuthi umuntu lo I think maybe ku contract beza utshela ngawo sign ukuthi at least 8 times ekuthandaneni kwenu ku lifetime yenu uza cheat but you won't catch it. Ungaze vele noma
And I've got no option of saying no. Like I have to pick one.
Yes, you have
One
to
of
pick
the
one.
two.
Awusoze umbambe ungaze uzame nje awusoze umbambe but into guaranteed ukuthi uza cheat. Lwana oqala obanjiweyo wechita khona phana kuphela kuhle so guaranteed ukuthi awusaphindi futhi
On the second one, is she cheating 8 times, at least 8 times with one person or with different people?
Dog, she's cheating at least 8 times.
So it can either be with one person or it can be.
Yes.
The second one for me, my guy.
Second one. So now ufuna sibone
Dima Sami, my guy.
Like wait, like
Try.
the second one is what? She cheated once and then everyone knows.
And then so kuphela kasaphindwe guaranteed you never ever do it again.
Where would you get that guy?
No, but it's guaranteed.
Lapha nti maybe
Like, let's say it's a
maybe this
contract
thing
that you sign.
yenzwa like ngumnikazi we-fate. Like let's say you're having this convo with God himself. Ekuthi hello engakuchita ngikutshengise kasaphindi. I'll make sure that
They
kasaphindi.
cheated once.
Ehe.
What if that once of it was an orgy wachawa ngabantu abangu 15 or something like that?
No.
Rafebe ngingabi kwazi. They say ignorance is bliss. Yes.
Leya so ignorance. Because when you tell sign a contract bakuchethi at least 8 times. So you know at some point uzachitela
but
Abantu bayaganga these days gang bang though that 10 niggas bang.
So
They run a train on your honey, bro.
So now so NRZ you're fine option 1.
Yeah, right.
Me still I'm taking option 2, bro.
If I get to know,
Nah, fam.
because even every time we try to do something, bruh,
Imagine no Ralph Sebe
I'm thinking,
price,
guys,
KPs.
what?
But take care of your dreams, guys.
Sebe nah, fam. Nah.
I think into my guy, you rather not know.
Nah.
Work with what you have. Right?
But here you have a guarantee. At some point, and many
as
times.
long that guarantee is not coming from
Also-
Jesus himself straight
Exactly.
up, there's no guarantee. Boss.
But my
Okay.
reasoning is cheating is cheating.
yeah.
Right. Cheating is cheating. So whether she cheated once or she did it several times and get fine like she's done it.
So uphume engqondweni
Exactly.
zakho.
It will always think the same.
Yeah.
So when
Now
I
what
go-
you can then control is who knows about
Who
it.
knows? Okay, makes sense. Price on offer?
You know how a man's mind works. You know, you put value in a woman in nginto zaziyo ngaye.
Yeah.
You understand? Nginto zaziyo ngaye. And in mental health yakho nxa isitshe ukuthi no. Mina personally what I do is mina with the chick that I'm dating. I'm telling you is one. Whenever you're going out or doing anything, just tell me. So that way nungahlana la bra nhlane la smokehouse ehamba. I know. You understand? Because I'm giving
You look
myself
like a party now.
because I know which no one is perfect, right? But I'm giving myself here the benefit of the doubt so that my mental state of mind and I saw Zinjan. I saw the depressed because into le madoda ukujwelela is a guy depressed. Yabo. She would rather cheat 8 times and me not find out than I cheated a one. It's not shallow rough it. My guy.
Mana nguthengile ibhiya my guy.
Akwenzi ndoda. No,
It's an
no,
ego
Ralph.
thing, dog. That's what I'm saying.
Bruh.
The absolute description. That's that dude. That good.
Ralph, what you wanna self-love is the best stuff, bro. I know myself, my guy. My ego can't take it.
Yeah, that's true.
It can't handle it.
I mean, I've got a friend, no money that I won't mention. I saw a girlfriend cheating. right? But he never found out.
And you did a good thing by also keeping it.
Yes.
Quite
Yeah,
was,
well,
fam.
and he never found it. And they're still happy. Yeah, well, imagine if he knew.
See, blissful ignorance.
Bruh.
Okay, but mina ngakule guarantee eyokuthi once off. No, kube once off. Then I take my person, we go start a new life somewhere. Ngoba lokho uthi ndlela umuntu ka
When I
eight,
rewrite
yes,
it,
seven.
Which planet are you going?
When you rewrite,
Sengithatha icherry yami sesiyazihlala Australia asilithumezele world remit ngoba liyakwazi to shit.
If she did it with black people, they are white people. Where you are going.
some people are just naturally born bitches.
No, let's go
Mukhambi
back.
se-Dubai.
Let's go back to the
Abhebhisa umuntu odayisa
question.
ingubo khona.
I-question ithe kasaphindi uma-controller
Wabe sithini uKalvin? Wathi akuna guarantee.
Now, why are you taking away the guarantee? But anyway, that was the question of the day.
Sorry, because this question is gonna fuck me up.
I think we're gonna.
This question is gonna keep me up at night.
This one, no.
Man.
There's a guy of mine who said, kulo chomo wakhe enza izinto ze-philosophy wathi zonezani uthi your chick or your wife can sleep lomunye umuntu or labanye abantu once or twice a year and you will never find out.
Dude, they can even do it every week, bruh.
How many times have you been with?
Me, I've been a side nigga, bro. I know this.
But imagine abesesenza ka-one esithi once off and you find out.
Bryce, here's the thing. How many times have you been with someone and the
the
person calls uzomuta city, auntie, you know, I'll call you backing up and all that. When she's in your arms, the real nigga is calling her. She's with you. Ah, my God.
We are saying, this guy.
Daughter.
Yeah, maybe I've imposted. Kumbiambela smokes.
It's the ones who always post them, bruh. Hey, love of my life. Blah, 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 blah. After
this
posting love of my life.
Actually, on this note, and like
Queen was born.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now I'm on this note. Don't join up with honeys in a relationship. It will fuck up your output on your tab.
Bro code 103.
Bro. Yeah, banyana get
Bro code
666.
103,
My guy,
guys.
you'll never trust women again. If you fuck with a honey in a relationship,
I think what we just need to do is that whole, stay away from married women, right? Let's just also expand it to stay away from someone's person.
Exactly.
Whether they're married
What
or
you
not,
say?
chana lako. But the same thing that you're doing to someone, right? Fam, who are you? It's going to be done to
And
you.
what
as
you
well.
want, you lose them how you got them.
Exactly. That's the main thing. So, these things, man.
Uchile membe yami. Uchile membe. But anyway,
Hi.
The worst thing that will ever happen to a man's life is when you are telling yourself, I'm happy with this person, and someone comes and says, so you laugh at these days. Bruh.
guys, so kungena imember lene esinika ama Dracula kusho.
Now that one doesn't
Do you have
have
anything to say for yourself?
Why? Is that the life you have chosen? Escobar.
Pablo actually remember it. Yeah, Pablo. It's Scoopers July. 2 Scoopers July, remember it?
Actually, let's ask him that question.
Yeah, let's ask him this question before we go.
Before he goes.
Bro, would you rather have the girl of your dreams, but then Gulama KHI too? It's either she cheats one and everyone finds out. Like maybe maybe sex tape or something. Like everyone knows, bro. But there's a guarantee. You take as a pin for cheat. And then case number 2, you go to at the back of your mind it's guaranteed that she's gonna cheat, but also Zubon. Also Zumbam. But she'll cheat at least 8 times.
I rather cheat bamboo, nigga.
Bruh.
Imagine, yeah, uchiteka wine. Yeah, people talk about it because adlula.
But imagine, listen, imagine if she cheats 8 times. She gets STIs.
You're now rewriting the contract. Ukuthi engachita ka1 yahamba nayo hlala naye kwenye. Mina lama rewrite and say, she can cheat as many times as she wants, but engalethi imkhohlane endlini.
Exactly.
Mina, people cannot know that my honey is cheating on me, bro.
Kayela,
It's ego, it is pride, but I own it.
when she cheats like several times, really, one way or the other, uzaba kwazi. Mina,
No, yakwazi,
wena mina, ngizabe ngikwazi, remember ekalo ekavuyi ichithelo Ralph. Uchithe kavuyi ichithelo Ralph. Yabo? Yachitha los bani bani. So ingachitha lo muntu oyi-1 yebo bazakhuluma ngakho maybe for a month or so. Sokuphela.
I'm not going to
We are not talking of a limit on the cheating, bro.
Yeah.
Right? This person was gang banged.
Yeah. They ran on train on this honey, bro.
Me, I thought
And
it was
everyone knows about it.
Fam.
there are reasons to cheat. Yeah, well, maybe the
Wait,
nigga
one
wasn't
fucking
around.
party, besikala usim1, omunye wafaka usim2,
Daughter.
omunye wafaka emunye. Wabe sebamba ezinye zingu2 ngezakhe.
Vui when I go trends kube extreme.
You have to
didn't
picture
say
the
what
worst,
people know.
man.
You have to picture the worst. Always think about it. The worst case scenario. I know. Me, people mustn't know that.
Okay. Anyway, shout out to Calvin, bro, for coming through. Thank you very
Appreciate
much.
it, man.
And
Appreciate it, man.
what should we look out for from you going forward? Do you have a movie coming out on Brazers?
Calvin Sins.
Oh, shit.
Whatever. What you got?
Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah.
No, man.
There's some stuff, happening. Like, I've been quite busy. So there's a project that I'm currently pushing in the meantime. Like I mentioned, I'm a type 1 diabetes patient. I'm also a diabetes advocate. Currently, we have a weekly radio program on Skies Metro called the Diabetes Diaries Show. So what we're trying to do is just to spread awareness about diabetes because I almost died myself. That's why and how this idea was conceptualized. And the reason being was I was misinformed about what I had. I was in denial for 4 years since I got diagnosed. So after I got that second chance to life, man, I just, made an obligation. Like, I'm not going to allow someone else's child, someone else's brother, someone else's partner to go through what I went through because I got that second chance. They might not. And who would better advise other certified sweethearts than a sweetheart himself? So that's what I've been trying to do. The main objective is just to, encourage positive living, among people, young people, old people. Because diabetes right now, if you look at it, global conditions, bruh, it's in the top 5
Okay.
of mortality rates. Of every 10 people that you meet, 1 person is diabetic. How many people are in the world? Do the math. And most of these people, they do not know what diabetes is, what it can do. The sad thing actually is most people, they actually subscribe to the misconceptions of what diabetes is and what it does. The truth is, all that you hear about what it does is true, but it only happens when you mismanage it. But as long you are aware of what it is and you manage it well, I've been living with diabetes for 8 years, man. Did it stop me from getting all these awards?
No.
Did it
He
stop
looks
me
like
from
a healthy
traveling?
gent.
No, I'm good.
From
And
getting,
you only know that I'm diabetic if I tell you.
So maybe there could be someone here watching, like maybe Osako face and a denial, or they don't even know how they are to move forward. What are like maybe like let me say your top 5 pro tips for someone to like manage this goodly and just continue with their lives because they have lives, they've aspirations, they have all those things.
Yeah.
So what would you say like your top things? I don't want to cap it maybe 5, maybe it's 2, maybe it's 1, or maybe it's 10. Yeah. So just share that information.
The main thing I will encourage is diabetes is not a death sentence. It's not a disease either. It's a condition that is very manageable. And when you have that condition, it doesn't mean your life will stop. So it's all a matter of how you accept it. So the first thing you need to do, accept the condition. Don't fight it. When you know you're diabetic, there are certain things you're supposed to do. There are certain things you're not supposed to do. Don't act, otherwise to prove a point. Because the time you are wasting trying to prove a point to people and all that, your life will end and those people will remain and continue with theirs. So the first thing you need to do when you get diagnosed, also be open about it, talk about it. one of the major issues we've been having with our show is getting diabetic people to come and share their stories. People are scared to be outspoken about their conditions. Why? Because they are scared of being exactly looked down upon. Imagine you are someone who is looking forward to working and look out for a family and all that, and next thing you are talking about you are a diabetes patient, and because people are not very much aware of what diabetes is, they'll start treating you differently. Like, because of you, we cannot take you, in our organization or whatever we're doing because there's less productivity because of what you have. You are not physically strong and stuff like that. It's not how it is, and never feel some type of way about what you have.
Okay.
Get someone to talk to. That's what helped me. That's why I'm alive. Because I could talk to someone when I'm not feeling okay. I could talk to someone, and talking to people also was a way of educating them as well on how to help me in case I'm incapacitated.
Yeah.
So the main thing I can just say about someone who recently got diagnosed or all that, be open about it. One thing you can always do when you are diabetic is to let people know. It's not a disease, I will repeat, it's a very manageable condition. I'm a happy, sweet person, man.
Okay, all right.
I feel good about it, yeah.
Yeah, that's actually great advice coming from someone who's actually handling it, So yeah, thank you for that. Anything outside that?
Well, I got some productions coming up. So I was recently in Zambia doing some stuff. We just tried to grow the brand into Africa, starting in Zambia and all that. So yeah, there's some, great things coming up. And as people know anything that is Calvin Madula's name attached to it or his face on it, it's a must watch because we don't do mediocre, fam.
Oh, okay.
We don't do mediocre stuff, yeah.
Thank
But
you
what
for
I
that.
can say is,
Gomalana, no mediocre.
there's more stuff coming up. Because like what I said earlier on, I do a lot of things and I'm a very private person about it. I love surprising people. Most people know me as a mysterious guy.
Okay.
There's always something new that's coming out that people don't know about. So yeah, there's a lot of things that are coming through. So yeah, I'm just excited about it and hoping people love it. More,
Definitely,
just like
yeah.
they loved all the other things they've done.
Definitely, yeah. You're a friend of the show, so whenever you're launching something, or
Let us know, yeah.
just let us know. You can even come through. The door is always open. Thank you for coming through today.
I appreciate it.
Shout out, bro.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Host.
What up, cuz? Yeah, no, it's been good. It's been good. Abantu abananzele ukuthi i-podcast ejakhula ke. Yabona?
Yes.
We now have a Joburg branch of the podcast. With their own equipment, you don't even say it's not like
We
people
don't even-
think ukuthi
we don't even
equipment
send
like-
mics ngomalaisha, guys.
No.
Another
Yabona,
episode is gonna drop.
Exactly.
From the guys.
From those guys outside. So no, it's very encouraging, man. I used to take it for granted. Abantu like who then come into our DMs and say, no, I appreciate what you guys are doing. Abanye like they'll even like support financially and stuff like that. So shout out to people like that. It's very encouraging. Like you're doing something and there's people that value it enough to not only acknowledge you but also support you as well. So please keep up the good work.
Shout out.
Thina sizahlala vele sikhuluma amasimba. Sahlala vele sikhuluma amanyala. Into yethu.
Thina sikhuluma idoti la.
Imidoti vele lapha. Price is still.
I am not part of this, dots. I am not.
Labana begoli. Lena ibranch yethu egoli yenza njani?
Branch yokubranja ngale.
Ibranch yokubranja. Anyway,
I always
shout
think,
out.
man, I'm so funny. Like, ever thought would like umgcino K-Breeze like ilanga lonke bekhuluma ngani. Knowing what umgcini finds funny and what K-Breeze finds fun. Imagine the conversation.
Those guys have a members only podcast where they're talking shit from
Like
the
as in
start to the
literal
finish.
shit.
Yeah, where they're talking shit from the start to the finish.
Yeah.
So remember these guys.
People are paying for that. But I imagine you can sing at you.
We can't judge you.
Yeah,
So
we
when
can't
Sunny
judge
Mind
you.
and
We
Dwayne actually,
appreciate it nonetheless. But yeah.
Anyway, shout out.
Yeah, it's been great, man.
I forgot
Until next
something.
one, yeah.
Sorry. Those who want to connect with me, it's Calvin Madula ZW on all
should have
social media platforms.
Calvin Madula ZW.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We'll put your Instagram on the
Exactly.
on the bio for the video. So
The thing. Tangu
You can
ini
check him out,
thing. Chona
yeah.
mbona abantu bekhuluma ngayo thing.
Say ati, on your screens.
Yeah, but the thing Liana, I'm sure there's a word for it. Liana yabila mabala. Jengisi izinto na, but anyway, safaka ibizo lakho khona.
Survive is where I
But
go
yeah,
now.
anyway, guys, it's been a lekker episode. Yeah,
See you on the
last
next
week as
one,
we got down, cousin. Yeah, it felt my week just got fucked up. It didn't feel
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Yeah, without the
highlights.
pod, it's always a mess.
It is, yeah.
But anyway, we're alive. Lama wasn't there for the last 2 weeks, so yeah. Shout out. I'm alive. Ninaj. And we're coming from you as Zulu Fashion House. Always
The
come
words of
through.
Mofo, they were coming at you.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready?